Opie's sleeping. I think Opie's taking a nap. Reeve, where do you want to go? You want to go that way? Say, Evan, where would you like to go? You want to come in here? Well, Reeve, why do y'all want to come sit in the sofa? Say, yeah, he wants to hold your hand. He wants to go walk around the table. You want to go look out the window, Reeve? Maybe we can see a big truck. Do you want to go see the big truck outside? Come on, this way. This way, this way.